Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube channel. Stanley Osaze Usahwino Holding don't come out this morning because of Wike. Say the way Wike dey throw mouth give Oshomole, you know like him. Say na because of the quarrel wey dey within them for inside APC. Na cause and when Wike get the mind, wait till they come out. They talk to Oshomole anyhow. So Oshomole na national chairman. Suppose respect him. You know, so make una listen to her, make una just hear some of the things when he talk. If una agree with him, you know. So, because if you see waiting the apple for internet since concerning this Bayelsa State election, the way court make the decision, you know, ever since now all these quarrel take the ground. We be say Wike dey attack Oshomole. You know, say Wike safe to say na him be Oshomole if for just resign. Say because Oshomole talk say no swearing in for Bayelsa after the court judgment, after court don decide finish. Oshomole can say no way there will be no swearing in. You know, so because of that now, Wike can say make Oshomole see her now. Since they don't put PDP for there now as the governor of Bayelsa, if to say now Oshomole for resign, you know, so may we listen to them. May we listen to Osaze, Stanley Osaze. Make una see if now they agree with him with the way he talk.
A great good morning, my Edo people, my Nigerian people as well. In fact, every Nigerians around the world. And I'm me, una brother, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Usahwino Holding. Una good morning today. This video I just want to make it very, very short, but the opportunity for me to explain some certain things to some certain persons in some certain time, because many people just because of the crisis, the little resolvable crisis we get for inside the All Progressive Congress Edo State chapter, we can't forget say we are a member of the same party. Now because of that, now the likes of Governor Nyesom Wike, His Excellency, we go respect the office. Nyesom Wike can see chance they throw mount to the national chairman for a great party, the All Progressive Congress. Under a normal situation, if crisis not there, the APC for Edo State, are we not supposed to collectively confront the media onslaught coming from Wike, we self don't lost in credibility for PDP? A man will work against the presidential candidate of his own party. Because now I'm saying don't lose his own relevance for his party, they no longer trust him. He believes that when he launch crisis or war on a media war on Oshobaba, from there people go come see him say in they trustworthy, where then go follow as they follow him before. Wike will be power drunk. A man will openly come and call the tell say our national chairman not get character. He himself he does show many times say he not get one single character. A man will openly insult the traditional rulers within your state. He insults them because he believes saying they give them money, so he can insult them whichever way he like. He insult them finish. When he come up for them, if you see other traditional ruler, he go better. That will not be hypocrisy. Traditional ruler everywhere should be respected. So now by destroying your core respect, my move, I say you good. No, you are supposed to show your good character by respecting your own first. Beneath say obo white. So if you not feel respect your own, not come by the form say you lack character. Now go check all which election Wike don't ever conduct for Rivers State. Will be say the lowest death when you go record na 10 for any election. So look at where everybody knows say it be violent man go still come and on the talk. But what did shock me now be say some little fraction of the All Progressive Congress in Edo State, they support the action of Wike against the national chairman of our own party. regardless of the conflict. I believe that the conflict within inside the party can still be resolved, no matter how it be. And let me tell you, even if the party they not resolve, the crisis they not resolve, no individual camp can win elections without the other camp. Primary elections no end, not be the end to the electoral process. So if we think, say, we want to use social media at judge, say at the end of the day, when our candidate who will support get the ticket, we don't need the other one. And lie. Politics is a game of number. It always be like this from the beginning. Now, because of say little crisis day, if people they fight for primaries, party they always divide. Everybody they get who them they support. Some will say we support Mr. A, some will say we support Mr. B. At the end of the day, when one get the ticket, now the responsibility of the one who get the ticket to reach out to all those ones who will not get the ticket. Unite the party to prosecute the election. So if you feel say you go feel divide the party, and the party they divide and use and go election, you will never win. You can never win elections. So the only way to win elections is to foster unity and show synergy between all members of the political party. Now, let me give a classical example. Some people will say, for as long as those people, or for as long as the people are in this side or the people are in the other side, the victory is sure for the parties involved in conflict. My dear, forget. Without party member, there is no way victory can be sure, because if ordinary talakawas, they downtrodden, people like we vote, finish people, we move. As we they move, now party faithful they remain to defend that vote, to make sure say the other divide not rig the election by way of manipulating result. So if you think say now people want defend a result when your party agent and the rest not on ground, your party faithful not on ground, believe you me, we are creating problem for ourselves. So I believe say we not supposed by any way they support Wike at all. Now some people say look at the statement where the national chairman make. The truth of the matter be say, why be say when it reach time of Oshomole, people they overblow things out. When PDP lost Imo State to in the Supreme Court, what did they talk? I know what the national chairman of the party talk. I know what the publicity secretary talk. To the extent they went to go and protest the U.S. embassy, they not accept her at all. Then the thing don't happen to APC now. You say, the national chairman who is supposed to speak for our party may remain quiet. What if the leading judgment of the court? The court not say swaying the PDP. He said the second one will get the 25% spread across the local government should be sworn in. Then the national chairman of our party came out to say, if you say you do the calculation, PDP not get the spread. So nobody should be sworn in. That was the statement. It's not enough reason for us to look for a way to now begin to castigate or cast aspersion on the person of the national chairman. I know say, in fact, you don't need to pursue your own comment, may I say that kill and chop, because of say we get one little crisis where they don't feel resolved for the party. To me, I don't feel talking before and I still talk again. I am a party man. Regardless of who I support, I cannot allow the member of the opposition party, ridicule member of my party. No way. If they talk the same thing against the city governor of Edo State, say the thing come out for PDP mouth, use and attack the city governor of Edo State, will be the first person to respond. So you cannot say because there is crisis, you begin to say, we'll show this, we'll show that. Tomorrow, when they can't resolve, what do you want to go tell opposition? If we do something, maybe they try. Maybe they use our brain. All the people when they talk so Shomole is too arrogant, Shomole is too arrogant, Shomole is too arrogant. Now, where were they in the past when Shomole they do everything humanly possible to secure the interest of this party? Where were they? Where were they? So I beg, Mokuna they use brain till they do something. Some people go they preach tribalism, say this one is from Edo State, this one is from Edo State, this one is from Edo. If we don't want more share Edo State, no wala we go agree to share. But if we don't want share, let's continue to see ourselves as one. Don't bring that dichotomy of Edo State, Edo State, Edo North. Work together as a team. All of us are members of the same party. No, in any governorship position, not be any of us birthright. We can only earn it through our effort. And if we believe say the incumbent governor don't earn her, why we not go support her? We will support her. But if we believe say he never earn her, we ourselves will not still need to support them. So we must support on the basis of performance standard. I cannot come out to tell say this governor never perform. I know say the governor don't perform, but at least to some extent, it is expedient that those people will be. In fact, now the followers of the various political camps, they cause this crisis. Merchant of wars. Their owner believes if this crisis ends, they're not going to make money again. They'll begin talking. And even if say the two parties, the two basic gladiators want settle. Now those of us who they follow go say, we don't agree because of our selfish interest. So to me, Governor Nyesom Wike, you must be ready to face your activity in Rivers State. We know what you wanted to do in 2016 election. you in Edo State, yeah, you did all you could to make sure you survive the will of the people. At the end of the day, this same Oshomole way they insult, now it resist you. But now you work on the form, say the same people you know want me enter government. Now you the form say they say we don't like what Oshomole is doing in Edo State. Who send you? Aproko, stay your state. Go and think of how you take start to take of the Wani family and those other terrorist group who you organize for River State. Not bring those nonsense come at those they will vehemently resist you. And as far as we are concerned, we are member of the All Progressive Congress. We have no two national chairman. We have just one national chairman, which is the person of Adamali Oshomole. If you are not comfortable with Adamali Oshomole as the national chairman of your party, please decamp. Decamp. Respect the national chairman of your party, respect the activity of your party, and again, the national chairman should still know that there are things we will not tolerate when it comes to Edo politics. But that is not enough for us to begin to crucify him for one man who is associated with violence and negative actions as far as politics is concerned in Nigeria. Wike has no moral justification to speak. He say, "In go law school, in go this one, in go that one." Wisdom is not knowledge. This is two separate things. You go school, not mean say you get knowledge or you get wisdom to manage activity. You cannot compare yourself with Oshomole in any way. Oshomole fought the military. He did all he could to ensure democracy comes into play. What did you do? Did you even you are enjoying from the proceeds of Oshomole action? Oshomole went to prison more than many times because of democracy. Have you gone to prison for anybody? Not be your own you fight for. Apart from that, look, Oshomole history is struggle. The Oshomole has fought series of struggle. How many struggles you don't fight? You have been a politician. You don't care about the people. All your own money. You talk about one of your videos, say, who doesn't like money? We know everybody like money, but your own actions, your violentic action is too much and it's repugnant to natural justice, equity, and good conscience. That is why on our own, we vehemently resist you. As a member of the All Progressive Congress, as a member of the APC, do not support Wike against your national chairman. I believe the crisis we have in Edo State can better be resolved politely, internally, without supporting this disgruntled element to bring down the political infrastructure that have been built in Edo State for a long period of time now. Thank you very much for listening to me. I just want to be laconic and direct to the point. I am not against Governor Godwin Obaseki in any way. I am not against anybody, but the truth must be said. Anybody who is attacking the national chairman because they are benefiting from the actions of the PDP, those persons need to leave the party. Oshomole is the national chairman of our party. And if any attack from PDP is coming to him, it is our responsibility to collectively defend him, regardless of the crisis we have in our party. I know we are going to resolve it sometime. So please, make una dey very careful when una dey support opposition against una member of una party. Because at the end of the day, when the opposition they bring out all the support, una support them against the party, against our party, we not get anything to defend. Okay, people they say PDP is supporting our governor. One question: is PDP not fit the candidate in the 2020 gubernatorial election? Okay, it is they will vote for our candidate against their own. Politics is deep. It's the more you look, the less you see. Thank you very much for listening to me once again. I am Musa Kwinokudi. Bye for now.
Who send you aproko stay your state? Well, with all these things where this guy talk for this video, so at the end of the day, who una go blame for all these things where they happen so? Who una go blame? You know, because at the end of the day, if Oshomole take a time to check, you know, the certificate wey that deputy governor provide for am, therefore no dey into all these things wey dey happen so. You know, Wike for no get the chance to take the attack Oshomole the way they attack am so. You know, well, this thing wey happen so, one of the reason why I like this thing wey happen, you know, na be this. If any other person dey there, wey be say they carry fake result, fake certificate, they waka, say they look for position for that country, Nigeria, for any state, if they look for position, they will see and now say, no be waiting go favor them. You know, at least that road where they pass before they use fake certificates till they pass the road. That road don't block now. You know, that be what I dey happy for. Because right now, if another person come up now, come into Oshomole as national chairman, say, I won't be governor. I won't be governor. I won't be president. You know, he go take it time. Now take check very well. Make sure say everything we provide na genuine before you go fit give am that chance, that ticket. Make take seek for that office where you look for. You know. So with all these things where Stallion Saze talk, make una just check am. Make una try, make una leave una comment, you know, down below. And make una not forget to subscribe to this very channel because many video they road where they come. Make una also like and share the video. You know. So thank you very much for watching Dan Eaji YouTube channel.